So this is the common question from all over the world. You can say that from almost everyone. How to shred fat and what is the main point or common point? Well, everybody knows. Everybody knew that what should be what should they follow for to burn fat. But sometimes they forget. We trainer guys normally to remind them. So first point should be you can at least check your protein intake according to your weight, and also you must eat vegetables in your every meal. So protein must, and also vegetable is must in your every meal. Sometimes vegetables, sometimes fruits. It means you can eat fiber. You can increase your fiber intake also. So and also second point would be reduce your carbs intake at least. Whatever you eat carbs. But if you think that your carbs is too minimum, then it is okay. And also please minimize your sugar intake. That is also problem. But yes, you can take one cup of tea or one cup of coffee. It is fine. But also, if you also people also take without sugar coffee or without sugar tea, it is also fine. It is not a problem. So, but if you take one cup of sugar or sorry, one spoon sugar or one spoon sugar in tea or one spoon sugar in coffee, it is fine also. But still, you check how much you intake your carbs intake and how much is your sugar intake. Then the third point should be you must choose fruits instead of juices, because normally you juices you lose the roughages. Roughage means the fibers, which will help to which also help to uh, clean your intestine and also help to increase your metabolic rate. So that's how it is. Normally, when people go for detoxification, they suggest to eat more fruits or more vegetables. So that's how you can increase your metabolism and also you can burn your fats. So that's why choose fruits instead juice. Okay. And normally in juices they also added sugar. If you also make juices at your home, it is fine. But if you filtered it, then you lose the fibers. So that's why eat fruits instead of juices, and drink more water. 4 points will be drink more water. Whatever water you drink right now, also increase that, because if you minimize your water intake, then you feel dehydrated. Sometimes people feel uneasy, and also some people are faint during their training because they are dehydrated. And the fifth point should be no soft drinks. There is so many soft drinks, sodas and all on the market. So don't do that. Don't drink those things. You can check their bottle, how much they input, how much they added the sugar in every 100 ml, at least 10 gram or 11 gram or something like that. The sugar you can check if the sugar per gram how much calorie. In calorie point, I will make another video how much calorie in each protein, sugar and carbs and fats. You will understand better, but still you can check how much the sugar added and how much you drink already. So that's how it is, how you input the calorie in your body, not burn the calorie. Okay, so that's how you can understand what should stop and what should you stop. Normally proteins are help to build muscles and also help to burn fat, because if you have more muscle, then it will help to burn fat easily. If you have less muscles, then you need to increase muscle mass first, then same time the muscles will help you to burn your fat. So that's how it is. Don't think that I don't want to eat any proteins. No proteins. Only don't think that proteins only help to build your muscle. The proteins are so many works in your body. Okay. And yes, the next point should be exercise daily. At least exercise daily to burn your fat. Okay, I hope you understand my, and I hope you like my video. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe. Thank you.